I've been trying to find something for the 4th of July. When you Google July 4th scroll saw patterns, there isn't a ton that comes up. I found this one, though I was worried, and we'll have to see when we get to Inkscape. My size is going to be 3 by 3 maybe, and I am worried about cutting these stars out that small. But what was interesting is I saw this name and I'm like, okay. And then I started to read and I'm like, it's the Scroll Saw Workshop blogspot. Say that 10 times fast. But it's sure enough, it's Steve Good. He's amazing. He's everywhere. I'm going to include a link. Remember to check him out. So what I did was I imported this to the size that I wanted. Oh, and I should have known from the signature right there. Good grief. But I was still worried that it might be too small. So I'm trying to do something on my own. So I've done Dolphins works the best for me. The font Dolphins. So I've typed this out and I'm slowly trying to get the letters together. So this is interesting. If you click on the whole thing, you can't smush them together. You have to do the object to path step first before anything. Otherwise, it does the whole image. So keep that in mind if you're playing around on Inkscape. So I was thinking it might be fun to attach these guys with some stars. And Inkscape has the stars tool. So just click on the stars. Make sure it actually clicks. Make sure you actually have the star marked and then put it here. What is going on? Why isn't it working? Make sure that you don't have white as your color when you're doing this, or you're not going to find your star. Oh my goodness. I am so goofy. Cracks me up. So I wonder how this would go in here to connect. So I wonder if I can lower the object here. Doesn't seem like you can, because it's not an imported object. So then you're going to have to shrink it enough, which I'm right back to. That's awful small. People actually going to know what it is. And then it was, stars and stripes, so I thought about doing some stripes as well. But the problem is it going to be too hard to read? I'm going to play around with this for a little bit and see what's what. This is what I have so far. I like up here, though I have this at 155%, so this is really tiny. We'll see. Currently, I am working on my stripes, and these lines might be a little small, but on the scroll saw, I'll compensate, I think. So I'm going to duplicate it, move some over. I still got to squish July together. But I was wondering, how many lines do you think? Well, I've got 3 stars up there, so should I do 3 lines down here? All right, I'm going to continue to play. Oh, crud. I was trying to take this off because I carpet taped them, double face taped them together so I didn't have to scroll saw too. And my H broke. Grr. I was thinking about taking some stars and painting them and putting them on these citronella candles for my 4th of July baskets, but I'm not sure how well they're going to adhere to this candle. I don't know what I did. I had 2 of these, and I showed you how I was peeling them apart and that the H broke. This is the one where the H broke, and I'm going to glue or carpet tape, maybe some silicone onto here, and then see if I can back it up. These bows look like fireworks to me, so I was going to attach them there. So you have one basket for like your kids' stuff, and then one for like ketchup, mustard, all of your other barbecue fixins. But now I can't find my other Happy 4th, so what am I going to do? I painted these stars, so I might just do stars on one basket. Okay, here's the dollar store portion of my 4th of July hack. So we have 2 baskets. One without the 4th of July, where you can put in your condiments. And I'll take a picture on the picnic table when all's said and done. And then the other basket that you saw me do the scroll saw Happy 4th on. And then I got these little things from the dollar store. You gotta have an American flag that you put in. And then I found these 4th of July hats, and I thought you could put in some little mints in there for people. You gotta have some toys for the kids, squirt gun, and of course bubbles. I'll show you in the next slide what the finished product looks like.